problem with the safe and smooth.
I'm really hungry.
I don't know what it is.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. It is day 3 of our Japan series and it is New Year's Eve. It's 10:30 in the morning and we are on our way to try and get some Onitsuka Tigers. Also because I need new shoes because my Air Forces are really not doing it for me. We are headed into the Aqua City shopping mall to go get our shoes and also breakfast, potentially, perhaps. Guys, we're in New York City. We just got our pair of Onitsuka Tigers and we were eyeing some blue Onitsuka Tigers but they didn't have it in my size. There's a high chance I'm getting a second pair later on in this trip. I'm so happy we got Onitsuka Tigers. What's the food? We're currently at Yakitori Chufuku restaurant and it's on the 6th floor of the mall and it's so cute and aesthetic. It's so quiet in this mall. The Onitsuka Tiger store was quiet.
And then Ginza was just absolutely
Ginza was like a whole mess. Everything was sold out. Shoes went on the table because everyone was grabbing shoes. But here we could actually view all the shoe types. It's a nice break from like the super busy streets that we were in all day yesterday. I'm really hungry. So
I don't know what any of this is.
we got the yakitori rice set. It comes with some miso soup. I'm not sure what that is. I think that's like Japanese pickles.
Ready?
My friends would know this if you guys are watching. I'm not a fan of miso soup.
I had to drink 3 miso soup bowls yesterday.
Oh, this one's better. Wait, I actually like this one. Oh, it's hot.
Is it?
It's warm coffee.
Wow.
We just got off the train and we're now in Yokohama. First thing on our list, you guys would not believe what we're doing. We are going to
McDonald's.
We are going to Macca's just to try out what Japanese Macca's is like.
So good.
Teriyaki. What the heck? You can get edamame. You can get that on the side.
Yeah.
Oh, what the hell? What drinks? What the hell? Yeah. Okay.
And this is our food. So we got chicken nuggets, a little chicken teriyaki burger, chips, cheese beef stew pie, and this drink is a McFloat melon?
Yeah, melon.
And that's a frappe Oreo. And we had a sip of these because we couldn't resist, and they're both delicious.
Yeah, well I prefer the frappe over the melon because I don't like that flavor of it.
Yeah. well, we're about to feast on this and then get into what we're doing next.
We are now at Yamashita Park, walking towards the red brick warehouse, and it's so pretty. Look at that ship, and it's just about sunset. We're rushing to dinner because it's like 5:20 something and we need to go back to Chinatown for dinner. We've re-entered Chinatown and we're now heading towards our restaurant. So we just got into the restaurant and we found out that it's an all-you-can-eat buffet for 2 hours of this entire menu of dumplings, rice and everything, and I'm so excited. I'm not like super duper hungry, but it's also like I'll eat it all. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes, are you excited?
Feast.
Yeah. This isn't even the level where the Ferris wheel is. There's still another story. The line is that long. Oh my god, it's so cool. We've made it through that one huge layer of the line, and now we're up into the last layer. The Ferris wheel is literally right there.
No problem with the safe and smooth
We're almost at the top. Guys, this is so tall. Sorry, this is just a quick little snippet. Oh my god, we're at the top. Oh my god. It's so cold. There's no heating in here. This bit up here is literally open, so the cold air is coming in, and it's literally like -1 degrees right now. It's freezing. We kind of debated if we should stay out tonight and watch the countdown on the Ferris wheel for midnight, but then we literally have no way of getting back to our hotel since we're already 30 minutes away from our Prefecture. Tomorrow we have a big day. We're doing Mount Fuji on New Year's Day, and we need to catch the train early in the morning so we can't be up too late. So yeah, we're heading to the train station now to head home. I can't believe I get to spend New Year's in Japan. Like, this is so crazy. Like, this is so amazing, guys.
Blue line, X line, the top when you leave the train.